Ever felt like building a website was as complicated as assembling IKEA furniture blindfolded? Well, good news. Today, we're diving into WordPress, and I promise, it's easier than finding matching socks. Get ready to laugh and learn with Easy PC Solutions. Welcome, future web wizards. My name is Lisa at Easy PC Solutions, and I'm here to guide you through the wonderful world of WordPress. No tech jargon, no overwhelming steps, just pure, unadulterated website building fun. Think of this as your happy hour guide to the internet. So what exactly is WordPress? Is it a fancy blog platform? A secret society for coders? Nope. Think of WordPress as your digital playground, where you can build anything from a simple blog to a full-blown online store, all without needing a computer science degree. It's like Lego for websites, but way cooler. First up, your domain name and hosting. Don't let these big words scare you. Your domain name is your website's address, like your home address, but for the internet. And hosting is where your website lives, like your digital apartment. Just pick something catchy, memorable, and maybe a little quirky. The more fun, the better. Now for the magic button. Installing WordPress used to be a tech marathon, but thanks to modern hosting, it's now just a few clicks. It's like finding a build website button that actually works. Prepare for instant gratification. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard, your new command center. This is where all the website building magic happens. It might look a bit busy at first, but think of it as your personal control panel for digital awesomeness. You'll be navigating it like a pro in no time. Ready to make your site look snazzy? Say hello to themes. Themes are like ready-made outfits for your website. Want a minimalist look? A vibrant, colorful splash? There's a theme for every personality. It's like playing dress up, but for your digital presence. And now for the superpowers. Plugins are like little apps that add extra functionality to your WordPress site. Need a contact form? An online store? SEO magic? There's a plugin for that. It's like giving your website special abilities without having to wear a cape, unless you want to. Time to create your very first page or post. This is where you bring your content to life. Whether it's a witty blog post, a captivating About Us's page, or your epic photo gallery, it's all just a few clicks away. And once you hit publish, get ready for a happy dance. You earned it. The moment of truth. Publishing your site. This is it, folks, the big reveal. Your website is now live for the world to see. Take a deep breath, click that publish button, and prepare to bask in the glory of your digital masterpiece. You did it. Congratulations. You're officially a WordPress wizard. You've navigated the realms of domains, themes, and plugins, and emerged victorious. Now go forth and create amazing things. And remember, if you ever get stuck, Easy PC Solutions is here to help you turn those tech frowns upside down.